So here we have the Galaxy Fold, and care to venture a guess on why it is called Fold? Well, nothing mentioned on the box, but let's find out. So we have a non-conventional opening because it is supposed to be extraordinary in every way possible. Well, what do we have here? Well, box के अंदर box, उसके अंदर क्या है? Let's see. Before we get emotional about Chinese writing, but it is Korean. So this is the actual phone, and let's keep it to the side for a minute. Let's find out what is inside this box. So we have something in Korean that says something about welcome to the future. Well, after that we have a case for carbon fiber case. Let's keep it to a side. Then we are greeted by the side of a charger, well, a fast charger, and this is, I believe, is the USB cable. Well, this is the fast charger I was talking about that gives an output of 15 watt. This is an OTG. Well, that caught me by surprise, but not as surprised as what we are about to see. So, Galaxy Buds provided by Samsung, inclusive in the cost of the phone. Beautiful. Now let's get back to the Fold. If I can find it, yeah, here it is. So finished in beautiful black. I'm sure something or other will be the official name for the color, but I will just call it black. Let's remove the cover, and we have the phone. As you can see, it covers the width of my whole hand because the phone in its full grown size, that sounded like I was talking about an animal, but it's 7.3 inches. Yep, so you see, let's break it. Oh, well, I always wanted to do that. So this, of course, is what Samsung meant by a Galaxy Fold. Now this phone supports 5G, that is good. Or bad, we don't know, because we don't have 5G here in India till now. No. Oh, did you see that? That was another screen. Wait. So let's break it again. I wanted to see that beautiful screen. So that is the screen I was talking about. So we have a different screen in the same phone. Now that is something great. So disclaimer about this phone belongs to my friend, and we cannot go further than this beautiful choose your language screen. So once again, we can appreciate how beautiful it looks in black, finished in gloss. Now again, let's break it. Well, you see, this is the ultimate flex. We have a different screen on the same phone. Well, the pricing of it is also an flex, if you might say, because this phone starts as of now at 1,63,000 Indian rupees. Yep, you heard it right. But it looks so beautiful, and this is the future technology which is done right by Samsung in the present. So see you guys in the next video.